This is Spanish moss. If you've ever been to Florida, you'll know it as the stuff that looks like your grandpa's beard and hangs from virtually every oak tree. And it's very closely related to this and every other variety of pineapple. You see, it's not really moss, and it's not even Spanish. It's a flowering perennial herb, it's native to the United States, and it's scientifically known as Tillandsia usneoides. Here's how the pineapple Spanish moss family tree shakes out. Pineapples and Spanish moss both come from the Bromeliaceae family. That family is better known as Bromeliad, as in this kind of Bromeliad. Pineapples are of the genus Ananas, while Spanish moss is of the Tillandsia genus. And below that, you would have your species or your specific type, Ananas comosus, and in this case, with Tillandsia usneoides. Now in the video thumbnail, it shows a picture of me with a beard of this stuff on my face, but I didn't actually put it on my face, and neither should you. Spanish moss often carries red bugs, which when they bite, they burrow down into your skin and make you itch like crazy. Some will claim this is a misconception, that red bugs live in the foliage under the trees, not in the moss. But better safe than sorry. It's better kept as an outdoor plant. I once had a friend from out west who was visiting Florida, never been here before, never seen Spanish moss, and we were telling her all about it. And she responds, "Oh wow, how do you get rid of it? We love it. We don't want to get rid of it." In fact, wildlife loves it too. Birds use it to make their nests, while some bats hide in it to mate. It's known as an epiphyte, meaning it grows on other plants for support, but it doesn't rely on them for any nutrients. It's a completely self-sufficient air plant, and as an air plant, it thrives on airborne nutrients, trapping particulates and purifying the air around you. If you're lucky enough to have Spanish moss in your trees, you should learn to like it. And if you can't, might I recommend any one of its pineapple cousins.